Oil, just we want to have a quick review on the chart. All right, as we can see the way the chart is moving based on the daily chart, and is like in the quite small range. All right, whether we call it correction or not. Anyway, this week the price managed to break the highest price, but it is in the term of the shadow. That means we see the reversal again. Okay, when we see this kind of the correction, this kind of the move, we don't call it the correction. When we see this kind of the move, we need to quite be aware of the move again, the next move, if we call it, because whatever we can get, whether sharp move down or move up, I'm expecting the next move, the big move we get from here is a quite sharp move, whether up or down. But we need to consider any trade we get it, we should know how to manage it, because in case we are not in the trend, the way the market will move, then at least we should know how to protect our account. All right, just as a reminder, if in case anything's happen, any sharp move, whether up or down happen, if we are trading the oil, we should know how to protect our account. At least we need to have a stop loss. All right, then if we move to the chart, the forward chart, last week when the price exactly was here, we see we're expecting the price move up, then we get the down move. All right, the reason I'm drawing this one not exactly as what we have here, because what we were expected for the in last week was similar to what we have here. That's mean we were expecting the price move up, but not this high. All right, that's mean what we were expecting, we didn't get the price move higher, but we get the down move. Okay, now we wanna, next week we wanna see how we can trade here. All right, after the market open, how we want to trade this one. Is it this is a correction in relative to this one for the next move up, or no, the price can go lower? Okay, before that we need to consider the way the market is moving. We see the correction move, one deep the price move up, correction. This one is repeated many times, even in the short term or longer. Okay, that's why we want to see this one, how deep it can go. The reason I'm mentioning here what I mentioned just right now based on the daily chart, if we put this to as a correction, any move whether up or down can be quite sharp. If it happen, we should know how to manage our trade, to protect our account. All right, for me, next week when the market open, if I move to 1 hour chart, I will see how the market is moving. This mean when I see this kind of the move, all right, if I see the small flag, if I want to trade the small flag because of this move, if I trade, as long as the price move to the stop, the profit, at least I move my stop loss in the break even, because there is a possibility of this correction. One, this, if I draw this way, this one, sorry, maybe consider this one as a one type of the correction. 1, 2, 3. This means the price should move up. To buy, I don't recommend to buy the breakout of the line or whether like this. All right, it's not a good idea. In this case, if you want to look for buy, first maybe we can draw this line, and if the price sharp move, give a flag, then we look for buy. All right, in terms of the sell, also we can look for flag, but any sell from here, we should know protect our trade as long as it moves to the profit in terms of the reversal, because we are not sure This correction, if we consider as a 3-wave, that means this correction is relative to this one. That means there is one move up or not. Even if I move to MACD, I don't see any confirmation. Alright, just all we need to see the next week when the market open, we see how this correction, if they will become how it can confirm for the next move, whether up or down. In this case, next week, any update I will share in the group if I get any good news. Alright, even if I move to the lower time frame, do I see any divergence? No. That means even if we rely on the MACD doesn't show me any divergence. That means it doesn't give me any confirmation for the up move. But it doesn't mean we have to rely on the MACD. We just use the MACD for the indication. Alright, it's like to give us more more information. Anyway, again, similar to the other charts, I will analyze the oil on weekends. I will try to get the more confirmation, more information for the next move. Next week trades. Then if I get anything, I will share in a group. Thanks.